knots. Okay, your temperature is 53. Western Lake Erie buoy recorded winds from the south at 14 knots. Water temperature is 57 degrees. Okay, your temperature is 59. Toledo Lake recorded winds from the south at 9 knots.
This is not happening.
Okay, your temperature is 58. This is a special weather statement.
Oh shoot, guys, this is not happening.
Michigan, Genesee, Livingston, Saginaw,
Yep, that's for Western.
At 5:48 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking gusty showers along the
This
line
couldn't get
extending
good,
from near
but
Carson City to 90
this couldn't
miles
get
west
any
of
worse.
St. John's to near Eaton Rapids. Movement was east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour.
now what's gonna happen?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down trees and blow around unsecured objects. Strong thunderstorms will be near Landsberg around 6:10 p.m.
At least it's not for me.
Springs around 6:15 p.m.
Oh shoot, this is not happening.
Corona, Morais, Oakley, and Henderson around 6:25 p.m. Fowlerville, Chesaning, St. Charles, and Bancroft around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these storms include Carrollton, Garfield, Arthur, Plainfield, Rankin, Fenward, Buena Vista Township, Jarrah, Conway Township,
Oh
and
shoot,
Indiantown.
this is not
This
good.
includes the following highways: I-75 between mile
This
markers
couldn't get any
112
worse.
and 152. I-475 between mile markers 1 and 5, near mile marker 7, and between mile markers 12 and 16. I-675 between mile markers 1 and 5. I-96 between mile markers 125 and 152. I-69 between mile markers
What's gonna happen?
136. Plus 23 between mile markers 53
Well,
and
that is a lot of highways.
outdoors.